In today's video, we are going to show you how to quickly grade open-ended questions in Edpuzzle. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your Edpuzzle teacher account and hover to the left side area of the dashboard panel and click the My Classes. Here, select the assignment that you wanted to grade. For example, this open-ended quiz that I have for my student. And as you can see that the quiz has been completed from one of my students. I want you to click on it so you can review the response. Now, here you have the progress, of course, the grade, attempts, and the correct responses. Okay, so focus only on written responses. Use the options here at the bottom. If you wanted to make sure that the student understands the question, you can also put your comment here and click the arrow button. Okay, once you've done that, if you feel that the answer of that student is not enough and you are generous, you can always click the reset progress so that the student can do it again. Or if you want, you can also click the make student try so that the student would be able to change the answer for that specific open-ended questions. It's super simple, right? And basically, that's it on how to grade open-ended questions in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.